Key fob programming pairs your remote keyless entry device with your car's immobilizer system, enabling remote locking and unlocking along with other functions. This involves synchronizing the fob's unique identification code with the car's electronic control unit, allowing secure communication. The fob communicates through the vehicle's control modules, from the key cylinder to the engine and door systems. Programming methods differ widely by vehicle manufacturer, model, and production year. Always consult your owner's manual for the correct procedure. Modern fobs integrate with smartphones and digital ecosystems, while older ones rely on radio frequency signals for communication. Improper programming can lead to security vulnerabilities or vehicle issues. If you're unsure, consult a professional technician. Traditional fobs operate at 314 or 433 MHz using LIN or CAN bus protocols. Digital keys use Bluetooth Low Energy at 2.4 GHz or NFC at 13.56 MHz for short-range communication. Modern systems use rolling codes, generating a unique code for each use to prevent thieves from replaying captured signals. If your fob has weak signals or reduced range, it may need reprogramming. Test its functionality to ensure proper operation. First, prepare by ensuring the vehicle is unlocked with the ignition off. Make sure you have the original fob or a compatible replacement ready. Next, enter programming mode by cycling the ignition to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds, or activate Learn mode through your vehicle's app or dashboard menu. Listen for confirmation chimes or check the instrument panel. Now, program the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob within 30 to 60 seconds of entering programming mode. Repeat this process for any additional fobs. Exit programming mode by turning off the ignition or exiting the menu. Then test all fob functions like locking, unlocking, and opening the trunk from different distances to ensure proper operation. If programming fails, troubleshoot by resetting the system. Disconnect the vehicle battery for 10 minutes or consult a dealer. For digital keys, pair through the app using NFC proximity to the vehicle.